So the Jamaica Suns beat St. Vincent and the Grenadines in the inaugural America's Men Netball tournament earlier this month with a score 52-33. You must be saying, who are the Jamaica Suns? Well, Sean Murdoch is the head coach and Kerry-Ann Brown is the assistant coach. They're here with us and they will tell us who the Jamaica Suns are. Morning, welcome.
Thank you.
First, congratulations on your victory in the America's Cup. You play netball?
Yes, I played.
But you're now...
But I'm now the coach.
I didn't know that we had a male netball team, and I'm just learning that we actually had or do have a male netball league.
Yes, we do. I was one of the prodigies in terms of playing the sport. I started very young. I was part of the group that would have prepared with Connie Francis in the 1990s.
I didn't know that.
Yep, because we've always been training partners for the Sunshine Girls, men that is.
Is it?
Yep, always.
Sean, you know that some people watching now and saying, men play netball?
Yeah.
Yes.
What about people never know? Forget the league, which is another, point of information. But a lot of people think netball is a female sport.
We still have people who think that who thinks that way, but that is shifting. World Netball, fortunately, I have a very good seat in terms of netball. I have a 360 view. As I said, I played before. I coached St. Kitts and Nevis female team, and I coach the men. I'm part of Netball Jamaica's board. And I'm also I assist Marva Bernard with America's Netball. So I have a good view of what happens. And World Netball is now, a part of their strategic plan is to embrace men and boys playing the sport. So that's a push as well,
But isn't there a little stigma there attached to men playing netball?
Yeah.
Assistant coach, don't it?
Yes, a lot. We try our best to not focus on that and just focus on just playing and having fun.
Yeah.
Do you have a lot of young men who are interested in getting into the game?
Yeah, we do.
Same position, same rules, everything?
Same rules, same everything. Just that, if I can say this without people getting mad, just that the game looks nicer, of course.
I'm sorry? I'm sorry, sir? No, I'm sorry. I'm
no, you don't get yourself in trouble already.
I'm not sure. What did you say, Sean?
I take it back. But it's good. We complement, we add to the game and we complement what already exists.
What do you mean by it looks nicer? What did you mean qualitatively?
It's more exciting. Let me change that. Is that a better word?
How so?
Because of the energies and the testosterone that the men bring and that kind of
what you saying?
Excitement.
All right, sir. Me not go bother press you because. Okay, I'm not going to press you. So tell me about your experience, Madam, coaching a male team.
All right.
Well, first of all, your experience in netball.
Yes, I played for the Sunshine Girls. I've been playing for the Sunshine Girls since I was 16, so I have some experience in that field. So coaching them now, because they have always been our training partners, so it's pretty easy because they know the sport, and they are willing. Not that the females are not willing, but they are more enthused. They want to play. And I guess because it's not accepted, is that they're pushing
to prove
that, they can be a part of. And, in time, as you say, the world now is changing, male are now a part of it, so it's a bit better for them.
Yeah. By the way, Coach, in the recent tournament, it was Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, and the men team, right?
Last year against the Sunshine Girls.
How did you do against the Sunshine Girls?
We lost by...
So the Sunshine Girls...
No, that's last year, because we were in training. We just came together.
What year? So you mean... Wait, so what would that be?
No, because remember, I'm just come back and say it's
more exciting.
And I'm context. So last year we were just brought in to fill a gap that South Africa...
Yeah, man, South Africa should have... Right.
So now that we've trained as a group since March, and we played the Sunshine Girls prior to their departure to the Commonwealth Games, we beat them twice. So we kind of have the last...
You beat the Sunshine Girls twice?
Yes.
They were tired that day. They were just giving you guys a blie, being kind.
Tell me about the tournament. How I know we won, but how was it for us?
It was good. As I said, the guys, they were looking forward. They've been training, as Sean said, from March. So it was somewhat competitive. Just the South Africa game was more competitive, but it was exciting. There are times when the guys somewhat lose focus, but myself and Sean there, so we get them back in line. So for the most part, it was good. It was actually an excellent tournament.
What about support for our team? Because we heard the Sunshine Girls crying about support, right? Yeah. A male team would be in a similar position or worse off?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes. Before I even talk about support, let me just take this opportunity, please, to just shout out the persons, or the companies and sponsors that we had. I just want to shout out Sports Development Foundation, Jace Management Consultancies, Wisinko Group, True Shake, Seprod, Equality Jamaica, Project Gold. Hope I'm not missing anybody. Delight Juices, Seprod. But if and whoever else I've missed, I'm sorry about that. But we really appreciate the support. As I said, the Sunshine Girls find it very hard to get funds, and so our task is even harder.
Yeah. We have a league in Jamaica?
Yes, we do.
How many teams?
9 teams.
And they're right across the country, or is this a Kingston thing?
Primarily based in Kingston, but across the country.
Oh.
One of our vice captains was from Montego Bay, the captains from Ocherios.
So what next? What's next for the national program overall?
All right, so the national program is on a break because we have our Elite League, or our version of the Elite League, to come in October. That takes us October to December.
And Elite League is our local?
Our local.
Okay.
Our local league. So it's a combination of players from different clubs now going on a new team, and that will take us until year end. So we resume national duties next January.
Recently, the World Athletics introduced a mixed relay. Is there, in the future, you're going to have a mixed netball team with 3 women and 2 men or something like that?
So that has been happening.
That has been happening?
Yeah, that has been happening.
Officially, or you guys just do it for training?
Not officially. Officially in the sense of World Netball, not yet.
Yeah.
But in terms of countries are doing that. We do that at Grace Kennedy.
Yes.
We have our mixed league. So that's
Head of the game.
Exactly. We're pioneers with that at Grace Kennedy. So it happens, and the other countries who are more developed would have mixed leagues, like full mixed leagues and full associations.
Okay.
We're just now catching up on that. Netball Jamaica, we're trying to do some sort of inclusion with that kind of a start. But that's something that we're discussing at the
Why did you not play basketball? Because it's kind of the same thing.
It is the same, and I played basketball as well.
Oh.
But I just
It's not the same because you can't dribble in on it.
Yeah. It's not the same.
And you're not a backboard and all
Right.
kind of thing.
So why we don't know more about the men's team?
It could be a part of what you just said about the stigma, so people kind of not interested in learning about it. But as I said, with the push now by World Netball to get us in the Olympics, there was a meeting.
I mean,
just
if the
this
team
week.
is doing so well,
Yeah.
and even media, stigma or no stigma, there should be more out there. And how do you benchmark our team when you across the rest of the world, or the folks who play? Is that how you rate us?
It's hard to say. It was good that we had South Africa coming across to be a part of the championship, because it kind of gave us a feel of what it feels like outside, because they were like a good team.
We did against South Africa.
We won them by 2.
Oh, what you say?
That was nail biting. So that's what we expected.
So there's not a world ranking like the Sunshine Girls?
Not yet, because it's just now being embraced.
Fledgling,
by World
but
Netball,
right.
because we were just operating by ourselves before, as in men.
But if there were, you think we'd be up there?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And we have a pressure we're pressured by what the Sunshine Girl does as well,
Of
because we're
course.
training partners. So of course, we want to
So it's the
replicate
Suns
what they do and better.
And the Sunshine Girls.
Yes.
Would you play? He's good, you know.
At everything.
He's no good, don't.
No, I'm good at
football.
everything. Coach Kerry-Ann, what has it been like for
Whoa,
you?
Sean.
No, me no listen to Sean. I push him up.
Just slip it in and then he...
What has it been
Going
like
to make the
for you?
team before him.
No, what has it been like for you as coach? You don't play anymore?
I do play because of the whole corona, the club leagues that started, but my team Jamaica didn't enter. Yes, yes, they didn't enter.
Big side.
I am also a part of NHT's netball team, so we're
Big
starting.
side. This pure big side.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're starting up next month with the business house. But my experience coaching the guys, it was awesome. It was awesome. It's my first big gig. So I do coach a club team in the club league, but it was good for me. It was an exposure for me. It was a good experience. From playing to coaching, it was a big jump. And dealing with the gentlemen, it was challenging at first, but because I have a strong personality, I was able to maneuver.
Fantastic.
Good job.
Congrats again to you both, coach.
Good job.
Congrats and good luck.
If you need somebody for the women's team, I'm available. If you need somebody for the men's team, Nev is...
Jamaica Suns is the name.
Can't warm the bench.
Head coach is Sean Murdoch, that's him, and assistant coach Kerry-Ann Brown.
All right, up next, the fun stuff, folks. 4 words, 1 pick. Some calm. Or is it 4 picks, 1 word?
4 pick.